Rivers and streams are valuable to people. They've been used from the earliest of times by humans for travel and commerce. Rivers carry the water people need for life, and they're often used to carry away our wastes. They're the means by which fresh water is carried to the ocean, that forms ecologically important wetlands and estuaries along the way. They provide places for recreation important to Texas's economy, including paddle sports, fishing, wildlife watching, hunting. The physical, chemical, and biological characteristics of our rivers reflect Texas's many geologic, hydrologic, and human influences, especially those associated with city, industrial, and agricultural development over the last century. Whatever is placed into the land can possibly enter a stream or river through runoff. As a result, many of our streams and rivers have been polluted by harmful contaminants. Now, today's laws restrict contamination of Texas's water, but pollution of the past still affects some water bodies. Some amount of pollution still enters our waters from accidents or through illegal dumping of contaminants. Sewage from our towns and cities is cleaned in wastewater treatment plants and often released into nearby streams and rivers. That's why it's important not to use our toilets for getting rid of dangerous materials. In some places, treated wastewater can be the majority of water flow in a Texas stream. Aquatic habitats in streams and rivers are affected by local and distant land use practices, channel modifications, groundwater depletion, and changes to stream flows from dams and rivers and reservoir operations. Flow in most of the major rivers in Texas is controlled by operation of one or more of the nearly 200 major reservoirs located at some point along a river's path from headwaters to the Gulf of Mexico. Reservoirs provide flood control, generate hydroelectric power, and supply water to municipalities, industries, and agriculture. These are all important uses of rivers that have helped build Texas' economy. Dams and human use of water from streams also has impacts on aquatic ecosystems. The healthiest streams and rivers are those that flow freely and have natural characteristics. Today, few, if any, of Texas's major rivers and streams remain completely free-flowing or free from non-point or point source pollution. But all Texas streams and rivers are important to humans.